Hi, today I'm going to be showing you a great Web 2.0 tool called HappyClassApp.com. It allows you to quickly and easily place your students into a seating chart. The first thing we're going to need to do is open up your web browser, whether that's Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. After you've opened your web browser, in your URL bar, type HappyClassApp.com. When the website loads, you'll need to create an account. Down here on the bottom right of your screen, you'll need to scroll down. You have two options, Lite or Pro. As you see, Pro is $15 a year. This will let you add unlimited room setups with unlimited rosters, but today I'm going to show you how you can do that with just one. However, you're encouraged to buy it if you want to. After you choose the account that you'd like, you are encouraged to fill in some information about yourself. This should only take you a couple seconds. Now that we've got our information filled in, click the link to create a new room. Near the top left, name your room. A step-by-step instruction appears on how to create your room. Simply click the squares to add a student, click that same square to delete it. You can set up your classroom however your classroom is set up in your classroom. Create a class type, the name and the class, and then a roster. A dialog box pops up prompting you to add students. What we'll need to do now is open up a new tab or a new window in your web browser. You can hold the Control or Command if you're an Apple user, Mac user, and hit T to open up a new tab. Once your tab is open, type in gradespeed.mmps.org. Log into GradeSpeed. Once you've logged into GradeSpeed, your students will be displayed over here with the class up here. You will need to click Export Roster. A new window opens asking you to export the roster. Click Export Roster. When you open this file, an Excel file will open up. What you'll need to do is delete the student ID. I suggest you move the first name or the last name over here, and then copy and paste copy your student's name out of Excel. Go back to Happy Class App and paste them into this dialog box. Click OK. Click Add. Click Add. Happy Class sorts your students alphabetically into your seats. I suggest you hit Optimize Happiness in order to mix things up a little bit. From this point on, you can either print your roster and create another one, or if you have bought the Pro version, you can set up relationships with your students, whether students like or dislike one another. If students like one another, like this, Happy Class will try to pair those students somewhere close to each other so they can work well together. If they dislike each other, like this, Happy Class will try to keep them as far away. So when you generate a new seating chart, it will keep those relationships either together or apart. But I imagine most of you won't want to pay for the Pro version. So let me show you how to do this with just a single version. Once you've created your seating chart, over on Settings, click Print. The print menu opens. You may need to change it to landscape or portrait depending on if your class is wide or narrow, and then print the page. After you've printed your page and have a hard copy of it, you can go ahead and delete this class. And now the process starts all over again. That was HappyClassApp.com. If you have any questions, let me know.